How to enter into the BIOS of this ASUS laptop. The model is B2502CB. First I will power on the laptop here next to the 9 on the right side, and then I will press F2, which is volume down. F2 will be pressed. So power it on and press F2. Press it a few times. We have a small LED there to the right, which has a microphone icon on it. We have an ASUS logo. Press F2 and voila, here we have the BIOS. BIOS version, processor, total memory, onboard graphics card, serial number, storage, it's an SSD, USB ports, LCD, hardware monitor, battery, fan, passwords, default settings, save and exit, boot menu, advanced mode, and frequently asked questions. Let's press this one, F7. Here we have main, advanced, boot, security, save and exit. You can use the arrow keys. F7, escape, quit without saving. Okay, press enter. So that was the BIOS of this ASUS laptop. ASUS ExpertBook